Hey, so Steve Road and Damon Day back with the Penny Stupid Project. Another update, this one on a side hustle we've been testing, the Roadie app, which is delivery. Damon and I had two completely different experiences. Now, Damon, before you jump into yours, I got to tell you mine, because I mentioned it just a minute ago, or whenever the hell it was, that we did the Amazon Flex video.
By the time you edited it, it could have been last week we mentioned it.
Right. Be 3 days ago. But
I'm not wearing the same shirt every day. I just have 18 of these shirts.
In the Amazon Flex video, I talked about how when you go through the Amazon training, it says make sure when you deliver a product and you take a picture of it, don't show any details about the house. Well, with the Roadie app, I did an 8-mile delivery. It was pretty painless. It was easy. I love the detail that the app gave me, and I don't want to drive people around. I don't have that much flexible time. But anyway, I got to the delivery site, beautiful house, and dropped the product off and went to take a picture of it and started walking back towards the car. And I read the instructions on the phone, and it said, make sure that you get identifying information about the house in the photo. So I got to turn around and go back and take a photo. Somewhere, there are some people that probably have a porch cam with me bending over with my bald head going, God damn it! Taking another photo with their house number and the product.
Show me fierce. Show me fierce.
Yeah, Roadie pays you every Tuesday, and I think I get paid tomorrow for the delivery I did on Saturday. But that has been my experience with it.
And so I don't like it.
All right.
I don't like it, Steve.
So
suspect.
I like Roadie. Damon has an alternative opinion about Roadie. Go ahead.
I want to like Roadie. I like the concept of Roadie. I did a delivery, big ass 250-pound dog kennel. I got to bring my two boys with me, which was fun because, doing consulting, working from home all the time, you can't exactly bring your kids to work and teach them some work ethic. So it was actually nice to be able to, hey, we're going to go deliver some dog kennel that somebody bought from Tractor Supply. And so it was fine. I made $40, although I know I have spoiled teenagers that don't value $1 when the whole time we were delivering it. And I'll give it to them. It was a lot of work and a lot of time for only $40. But when my 13-year-old's like, we're only getting $40 for this? I was like, nope, I'm getting $40 for this. You're getting lunch. That's what you're getting, So, and that was fine. But here's what I absolutely hate about Roadie is the way they give you the assignments. What I'm used to with Uber and Lyft and pretty much everything else that I've done, if they make an offer and I like it, I take it and I go do it, right? Mm-hmm. That's what we do. It's like, oh, okay, I'll do that one. Oh, I don't like that one. I'm going to decline it. Well, Roadie is opposite. And I know you're going to explain this different, but from my perspective, they make an offer and I look at it and I say, oh, okay, I've got a little extra time. I'm going to shoot over and do that. I will accept it. And instead of then going and driving and picking something up and delivering it and getting back to what I was doing, they say, oh, well, thanks for your offer. We'll let you know in the next 15 minutes whether we're going to allow you to go pick up this thing at Home Depot. Like, I'm not qualified to get the damn thing at Home Depot or something. I think that's what bugs me the most.
I mean, that's actually what it is. Now, they've got a different strategy than other delivery apps. And I agree that the whole make an offer thing is misleading.
Don't like it.
In the post that I wrote on the Penny Stupid website, I said it should be like, I'm raising my hand to be considered. Because with the Roadie app, that's actually what's happening is you're saying, hey, I'm interested in this job. And then they have a buffer of time where essentially they're shopping the job to find the best driver, which is based on ratings, proximity, on-time delivery, and other things. Like with that Home Depot delivery I did, I must have been the only guy that was nearby. It was only 3 miles from my house. And I put an offer in, and 2 minutes later, I was accepted. And one of the lessons I've learned is instead of looking all over the map for things that you can do, wait for the notifications. But if you want to do Roadie and you're flexible, and if you've got a truck, if you got a pickup truck or something like that, this morning from one Walmart, there were 8 different assignments. They were short too. They were like 3, 5, 7 miles.
Yep. Steve, you can explain it to me why they do it certain ways, and I can understand it, but I don't have to fucking like it, right? And I don't like it. I don't like it because it screws up my mojo. I want to go see something. I'm going to do it. I'm going to go do it. None of this sitting around for 15 minutes waiting to get accepted. Like, oh, am I worthy enough to go to fucking Home Depot and pick up this freaking whatever and drive it to this house? I think I'm qualified for that. But they have their own process and whatever. But here's why I absolutely hate it. Because so I see something. I don't have anything else going on at the moment. I'm going to go, okay, it fits in my route. It's going to be delivered up here. I'm looking at the map. And I could do that. I want to get over here and drive in this area for Lyft or Uber or whatever. Great, I'll do that. Boom, select. Now what? You said in their instructions, because I don't like to read instructions, but you read them for me. You said they tell you specifically not to drive closer to the location.
They do.
Trying to hope it's going to better your chances to get it, even though they do say your proximity to the pickup location does play a role, some role, it's proprietary, but some role in whether or not you're accepted. But don't drive closer. That doesn't compute in my head. If that's going to give me a better shot at getting it, I'm going to fucking drive closer because I'm going to get a better shot. What else am I going to do? Sit there with my thumb up my butt? So here's the problem. I try to do what the instructions say. I don't drive closer. I request this thing. Now what do? I sit there and like let my life just kind of roll by as I'm waiting to see if I'm chosen.
So
it doesn't make any sense.
This is one of these great side hustles and gigs that is all personality driven. You might not have the right personality for it. If you're doing DoorDash or Grubhub or some other quick delivery thing and you're in the area, one of the nice things about Roadie is when an offer comes up and you raise your hand for it, oftentimes it looks like there's 30 or more minutes before you have to pick it up. And so if you jump on it right away, so you could do a quick delivery, get accepted for this, go do that, come back, continue your deliveries. But Damon, you're not in love with DoorDash and things like that. No,
you could do that. But at the same time, while you're waiting to get accepted, you might get another offer from a different gig that's even better. Or you could finally get accepted, but by then you're already thinking about doing something else. And then they finally accept you. And now you have to cancel it. And now that dings you on Roadie because it took them so long. Let me get to my Walmart story and tell you why I'll probably never drive Roadie again. So I'm trying to give Roadie a chance. And I noticed that at this Walmart on the way home, so the way to my house, I'm driving home. So I'm driving there anyway, whether I do it or not. I'm like, I'm going to give them another chance. I noticed there's a whole bunch of pickups at Walmart. Okay. I noticed that there's 3 of them the drop-offs are all right in the same neighborhood within a mile of each other. And one of these offers was like $10. One was $18 and one was like $15 in that area. Now I'm not going to deviate and deal with Walmart for $10 freaking dollars. Just not going to do it. But if I'm already at the Walmart and I can get 3 different deliveries, they're all going to the same general location all the way to my house. Perfect. Now that's going to be like $40, $45 for going to Walmart, getting 3 sets of groceries in there or whatever it was, take them on my way home, drop them off. Easy peasy. So raise my hand, pick me. I raised my hand for all 3 of them, which you're allowed to do.
Yeah, they had them strung together, right?
Yeah. And, they didn't have, but it was, you can raise your hand for whatever ones you want. So I picked the 3 that were real close to each other because I don't want to go Walmart, deliver, back to Walmart, deliver, back to that makes no sense, right? Walmart one time, get all of it, go, bing, 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 go home. Simple, $45. So apparently the algorithm's not smart enough to figure that out, right? Whatever. I'm ahead of my time here with Roadie. So
let me cut in there. So I have noticed that on some of the Walmart requests, gigs, they actually string together multiple deliveries under one offer.
No, this time they didn't. It was 3 separate ones that I picked, right? So now I'm driving towards it, not because I'm driving to Walmart, because I'm driving home and it's just on the way. So they select me. I see, you've been accepted for the gig. It was the smallest one, the $10. I'm like, okay, let me see these other 2. Denied. So I was okay with doing this for 3 deliveries. I'm not okay with doing it for 1. I'm not going to hassle with this crap for $10.
My advice is don't try to go for the individual ones. Look for the ones they already have them pre-strung together as 3 deliveries.
Great advice, but they didn't have any, Steve.
Well, I know. So don't apply for those.
I was trying to You said it perfectly. Don't apply for that stupid shit because it's Roadie, stupid shit. So anyway, I'm not done with my story. So I'm trying to be a team player. It's all for the gram, right? I know it sucks. I normally wouldn't do it, but you know what? Let's do the Walmart experience so we can have something to talk about because it's more content for our 105 subscribers, right? So I'm like, all right, I'll go. I'll do the $10. Maybe I'll get lucky. Maybe they'll throw some more and I can select some more when I'm at Walmart. So I get there. This Walmart is crowded as all hell. They've got 10 stalls where you drive in and you wait they'll bring the food out, right? All 10 of them are full. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's not good. And there's already a lady waiting in the aisle for the next guy to pull out. So I get behind her and I'm sitting here going, I'm getting $10 for this bullshit. And out of all 10 spots, there's one Walmart guy, one Walmart employee putting groceries in one car. Puts the groceries in that car leaves, goes, this lady goes in. Now I'm sitting there, I'm next to get in one of these stalls. I'm waiting, and as I'm waiting, I'm looking at Roadie. 2 more popped up in the same neighborhood where I have this one. I'm like, okay, now I'm in the damn parking lot. How could they not give me these other 2? Because I'm clearly going to be waiting here a long time. I got to make it worth my while.
You didn't meet the criteria for their algorithm.
I got some criteria for you. So I applied for 2 more. Denied. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Still sitting here for this damn $10. This whole time, 10 minutes goes by. I'm not even exaggerating. 10 minutes. Nobody even comes out. There's still 10 cars here. The Walmart guy has not even come out for the next car. I'm going to be here for an hour and a damn half for $10. So now I go to my app. Guess what? There's no button to cancel the stupid thing that has been accepted now. It's easy to cancel before they accept you. But once you're accepted, there's no button. I'm stuck. I almost was sitting here going, I'm going to delete this damn app and just get the hell out of here. What are they going to do to me? You know? So I get a hold of customer service finally, and you have to contact them to let you out of this hellhole that they get you into at this freaking Walmart. I finally was able to get out of it. I said, just cancel this ride. It's not worth my time. I'm not going to wait in this BS for $10. And you know what I kept seeing? I kept seeing the same deliveries pop back up because drivers were accepting them, getting picked, driving to that Walmart and going, oh, hell no, I ain't going to wait for this shit. And then they would cancel and go. So why won't they give me multiple orders? It would help everybody. It would help people get their food. It would help clear the backlog. It would help Walmart. But no, the Roadie app is so intelligent. It's just going to...
Well, no, I hear your frustration in doing this, but...
Don't like Roadie.
You know, this is a difference of personalities about
clearly
reading and understanding the way that the
You're very calm, and I am not.
Yeah, the way that the app and the side hustle works. And they're very clear in their documentation about, how it works. And it's not for you. I think Roadie
not for me.
Right, I think Roadie has a lot of possibilities. The thing I really like about it is when Damon gets some of these ride shares, he doesn't even know where he's going or much about the person. When you get the Roadie request, you can see the information about how big is the package, how much does it weigh. They show you on the map exactly where it's going and more information about the gig so you can make an informed decision about whether or not you want to accept it.
Yeah, exactly. 2 different personalities can look at the same opportunity, and it's great for one, it's not great for the other. And that's one of the reasons why we're testing this stuff, right?
Right.
This is what I think. This is kind of what my personality is. And, you can decide what fits your personality and what you want to do. And I certainly encourage people to try as many things as you think you might like. And maybe something you think you really like, you'll actually hate. And something that you're like, I don't know, you might actually really like, but you won't know until you try it. I was really wanting to give Roadie a shot. I like the concept. I love Home Depot. I love going into Tractor Supply. Steve, I love going to Walmart. It's like all my favorite stores. Like, I'm down. Let's do it. But just the way they do it.
I don't want to pull up at a Walmart. And it's so hit or miss about, like, the Walmart near your house is a breeze to get through for pickups. The Walmart near my house is a nightmare. I have not accepted or even, raised my hand or put an offer in for any Walmart delivery because I just don't want to deal with it. But here's
I wish there was a way you could package, like if I'm going to do those 3,
well, I
wish I could say All or none.
Yeah.
I want all or none. Like, don't give me one
Unfortunately,
of
you're
them.
not running the company, but they do have.
Unfortunately for them, because shit would be working if I was running it.
They have prepackaged routes together, and when you see those pop up, like I saw one this morning, it was 3 stops, and you could just do that. I don't. It's up to them. It's their app. It's their side hustle, and
absolutely.
I think the key here with any side hustle is find something that works for you and that you're willing to invest the time to figure out how it works. Like with Lyft, Damon has kind of cracked the code with Lyft and is maximizing his earnings. And I think the same possibility in a metropolitan area exists for Roadie, whether it's delivering luggage or prescriptions, or my stop at Home Depot was a breeze. Just walk in, customer service desk. The only thing I had to wait for was for them to print out the receipt, and then I was gone. So try them all. If you don't want to deliver people and you don't want to deliver food, then there are some other side gigs out there where you can deliver stuff. And Roadie is one of those
people, food, things.
Right.
Pick one.
All right, Damon, thanks for the update.